Okay, so the next step is going to be a little bit more advanced. These are if you want videos to be created through HeyGen. So it actually shows yourself or your avatar automatically. Here's an example of a video.
I stopped choosing platforms and started publishing everywhere at once. I sat with the founder on how Kompozy handles true 9-platform fan out. One idea now becomes native posts for YouTube, TikTok, IG, and more.
Anyways, you get the idea, right? So that's how Persona HeyGen videos are currently generated. In order to set that up, you can click on the create your AI influencer persona, which is advanced, which will directly send you to the personas and avatars. Now, if you're just seeing this, it's going to tell you, hey, you don't have an API key. And then you're going to be forced to go to the engine API keys, right? And put your API key in there. But in order to get that, what you essentially need to do is to go to HeyGen, right? So heygen.com, just create an account. It's completely for free. Now, there is usage costs in here. So when you create your API key under settings, API, you'll see that you do have to add a card for usage, but you can create an API key here directly and paste it directly into the API keys section right here, right? Since you're going to be on a regular free plan right now with us, or let's say a paid plan, you will not see all these other API keys. These are just for the beta testers right now at the moment, or the founding members that bring their own API keys. So you just paste your API key in here, right? And you click test and then choose avatar 4. And then we can go back to the personas and avatars right here and create a new avatar. So in order to create a new avatar, we're going to click on new influencer. And you'll see it's going to ask you for a name. You can name it whatever you want, but it's going to ask you for the HeyGen avatar look ID and the HeyGen voice ID. Now, if I go back here, you do have to create an avatar, or you can use existing avatars that are currently inside of HeyGen for free. But let's just say this is the avatar that I want to use. I can click on, go ahead and copy avatar look ID. I can go back and paste that look ID right here. And then as far as the voice ID, same idea. You can also create your own voice ID inside of here, but this avatar already has one. We can go ahead and click these 3 dots and get voice ID, and then we can go ahead and paste it and click save, right? And so I already have this one in here, but essentially once you click save, let me go ahead and delete this real quick. What you'll see is now you have different influencers, right? Notice I have different versions inside to kind of keep things a little bit variable, right? Not every single video wants to have the same background, same clothing, etc. Once you configure it, you'll have access to add more angle pools that are inside there, and that should be it for you. Don't worry about all this stuff right now. We'll get to that in further tutorials. But now once you go to the overview, you can now pick your avatar that you have selected, and you can generate persona short. You can generate persona HeyGen, which is the one that we have right there, marketing shorts, or the new VFX HeyGens as well. You can generate those with the click of a button. So let's just say I click on generate persona VFX HeyGen. It's going to actually generate a script. It'll take about 5 to 15 seconds for that script to generate. If you approve that script, then it'll actually start generating. And that one will take a little bit longer. These videos, since they are trying to be face locked and all that, once we click approve, what will happen is it'll go to the generated tab of the pipeline, as you can see right here. Like I said, it will take about 10 minutes for it to fully generate, and then it'll show up under your generated videos. So you saw earlier, I've already published a lot of them already. So let's say I go to Persona VFX. I have different variations created with different hooks, and you can basically play around with those. Just keep in mind, you do want to create an avatar inside of HeyGen. So let's say I go to avatars. I have avatars for myself that I could use as well. Different variations of them. You can pick and choose what you want for that. But hope that helps, and hope you start creating a bunch of videos.